own shit. Keep my nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grit.
What's up, YouTube?
It's your girl Lynn.
And it's your girl Nee.
And today we're doing that.
Guess that fast food chicken sandwich challenge.
Right.
I was about to say.
That is. Okay. So basically, y'all know what that means. We're going around anywhere that sells chicken sandwiches in Statesboro.
That's fast food.
Oh, that's fast food.
And we going to bring them back home and we going to try them and see if we can guess what chicken sandwich that is.
All right. See y'all later.
Okay, y'all. So we're home and we got all of our chicken sandwiches. We got our Chick-fil-A, our Sonic, our Wendy's, and then get the other one.
Burger King.
And then, I'm putting that one fries. Then, McDonald's, my favorite. Okay, so we just gonna cut up the sandwiches in half. So let's get to cutting it. Oh, and you can't smell them.
Okay. Oh, I know which one this is. I ain't smelling it, but like, it's too thick. Like, Chick-fil-A.
Should I tell you if they right or wrong? No, I'm not gonna
Just
tell you.
keep
I'm gonna
up
tell
to the
them.
end.
I'm gonna tell them.
I know that one right. Okay.
Sorry, I was showing them which sandwich I'm giving you.
Okay. That's a different one. That's either Wendy's or Burger King.
You gotta pick.
That's Wendy's.
Okay. Sorry, I gotta show you this. Sorry.
I'm too hungry now. Look how I'm like.
Here you go. I don't know.
Oh, I think I know this one. Alright.
You bite it like it's a burger.
This one Burger King.
It's nasty. It's nasty.
Crazy.
So it's nasty.
We did have sandwich. That's funny.
It's nasty.
It's good. It's real.
Nah, this one is cut horribly. The bread slipping off. Okay, let me put the bread right. Okay. Eat it.
Big Donald. Big Donald. Big Donald. That's it?
No, you got one more.
This is so good.
You had a bad one yet? It's nasty.
Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah, you don't like.
This one with a lot of cheese. This is Burger King. I did so many from Burger King.
You did?
Okay.
What this is? Which one you think this is? Give me a.
No, for real, for real. This nasty. This Burger King. This Burger King. I know I messed up.
She done did a lot of answers with Burger King, y'all.
This one.
Okay. 3 out of 5 right. Or like mallet. Or do something. I just picked up the paper and showed it to him.
Here. Oh, sorry. Okay. I think that bread mostly. Did you get
Yeah,
some
that's
chicken?
what it tastes like.
Well, you need to get the chicken. You gotta eat the chicken.
Blindfolded kind of soup.
Oh.
This tastes like McDonald's.
Okay.
I don't see how you ate it.
Why? You need something to drink? Watch that.
Mm-hmm.
Really not that bad.
Oh, I think I know which one this is because it's very deep.
Okay. Pretty bad. Which one is?
Mm-hmm. It's Chick-fil-A. CFA.
Okay.
Excuse me.
God, pretty. You could just place what about? I don't know which one it was, but you started in my head so weird.
This is nasty. This is nasty. This is nasty.
Which one is that?
I feel like this might be Sonic's. Yeah. Yeah, I eat slow. Like I'm the last one at the table all the time.
Ready? Why are you looking like that?
That was nasty.
Which one that is? You act like I'm giving you nasty stuff to eat. This is
Like,
that's chicken
this
sandwiches.
chicken sandwich is nasty.
Okay, which one is this?
This gotta be Burger King.
Okay, I gotta place it weird like you did.
You go ahead and drop it.
Okay, go ahead. That one good?
Pumpkin.
Oh, it's crunchy, yep.
This one actually tastes like Burger King, and the other one might have been Wendy's. But
Oh.
since I don't say Burger King, I'm just go with Wendy's.
Oh, okay.
I miss 3.
3, just like I.
No,
I
you got 3 right. She won the challenge, y'all.
I know my food, y'all. I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh, I'm really surprised because I'm a foodie.
Uh,
Comment what other type of videos do y'all want to see. Like,
Right.
do y'all want to see this type of video but with fries or with a different type of thing?
or do y'all want to do what's the other one? Wait, we already doing that one. So yeah, just comment and see. Let us know if y'all want us to
Comment any
do
type of video.
more mukbangs. Yeah, we're really anything. But if
We try on hauls, Q&A.
hey, get ready with us.
Yeah, like comment just what y'all really want to see.
Right. So make
And
sure
we're
y'all
gonna do it because we need y'all help coming up with some videos. So make sure y'all
like, comment, and
And
subscribe
subscribe.
to our channel. Okay.
follow us on all of our social medias. Follow our social medias together, and then follow our social medias individually as well. All of it will be in the description bar. So yeah,
We'll see y'all later, and thank you for watching. Bye.
bye guys.